Hello everyone, Jai Hind. In the previous episode, day 20, you might have observed that when I was explaining you the topic disconnected callback and to deploy the changes, when I was trying to deploy, this message was coming, right? The deployed source, no results found, this or doesn't have the source tracking. Though the changes were getting deployed, I was able to explain you the topic, but this message bothered me. So, and this also, this problem also comes when you actually try to retrieve the component or metadata from your org. So this line change that no component retrieved, but the second line remains the same. This org doesn't have source tracking. Now the solution of this is very, very easy, very simple. In the settings, now just refer to the error. This org doesn't have source tracking. So in the settings, search setting, type source tracking. And you will come at this particular, the checkbox, which you need to check. If it is checked, so uncheck and check again. Okay. And after that, Control Shift P and type reload window. Okay. Now just make a change, save, and try to deploy. It's deploying. And you see here that now that message is not coming. Okay. In case if you are using the, the sandbox. So in the sandbox, in the setup, just type your sandbox setting in the setup. Okay. And ensure that the source tracking is enabled. Okay. This is very easy solution. But in case, you want to refer the complete document, which actually I referred while doing the troubleshooting. So I will share you this link in the description of the video. I do not know, when it actually who published it, but I am, going to share this, and this solution worked for me. Hope you have, found this video useful to you. So please don't forget to give a like, share, and subscribe. We'll meet again in a next topic, in a next, the new trick and trips. Till then, take care of yourself and your country. Jai Hind.